15 Best Indoor Plants That'll Give You an Instant Green Thumb. Indoor plants are experiencing a huge demand in home decor, with their popularity soaring in recent years. And the trend shows no signs of slowing down. These green additions do more than just enhance aesthetics. They can improve air quality, boost mood, and create a sense of tranquility in our living spaces. 15 Best Indoor Plants. The snake plant, with its striking upright leaves, is a top choice for plant newbies and experts. This hardy plant thrives on neglect, making it perfect for busy individuals or those prone to forgetting their watering schedule. Its ability to purify air by removing some toxics makes it an excellent addition to bedrooms or home offices. The snake plant's architectural form adds a modern touch to any space, complementing various decor styles from minimalist to bohemian. 2. Pothos epipremnumorium. Pothos, often called devil's ivy, is the ultimate starter plant for those wanting to dip their toes into plant parenthood. Its cascading vines can dramatically transform a bare shelf or brighten up a dull corner. Pothos is incredibly forgiving, tolerating low light conditions and irregular watering. It's an excellent air purifier and grows quickly, providing a sense of accomplishment to new plant owners. Available in various leaf patterns, from solid green to marbled varieties, Pothos offers versatility in matching your decor preferences. 3. Spider plant. Spider plants are the gift that keeps on giving. Known for their arching leaves and little spinnerets that dangle from the mother plant, they're perfect for hanging baskets or elevated shelves. According to the ASPCA, these plants are making them a great choice for animal lovers. Spider plants are excellent air purifiers and thrive in bright, indirect light. 4. Peace lily. The peace lily is a classic choice for those seeking elegance and air purify benefits. Its glossy leaves and white blooms add a touch of sophistication to any room. This plant is known for its ability to remove common household pollutants. Peace lily are relatively low maintenance, but dramatically droop when thirsty, providing a clear signal for watering. They thrive in low to moderate light, making them suitable for spaces with limited natural light. 5. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is the ultimate survivor in the plant world. Its glossy, dark green leaves add a touch of tropical flair to any space. This plant is exceptionally drought-tolerant and can thrive in low-light conditions, making it perfect for offices or apartments with minimal natural light. The ZZ plant's slow growth rate means it requires infrequent repotting, great for those who prefer a low-maintenance approach to plant care. Its ability to tolerate neglect makes it an excellent choice for frequent travelers or forgetful waterers. 6. Rubber plant. The rubber plant, with its large, glossy leaves, makes a bold statement in any room. It's perfect for those looking to add a dramatic touch to their space without the fuss of high-maintenance plants. Rubber plants can grow quite tall, making them perfect for filling empty corners or creating natural room dividers. They prefer bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. Their thick leaves store water, allowing them to withstand occasional neglect, but not too much. 7. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreens are the chameleons of the plant world, offering a variety of leaf patterns and colors to suit many decor styles. They're perfect for brightening up dark corners or adding a pop of color to neutral spaces. Chinese evergreens are relatively slow-growing and low-maintenance, making them ideal for busy individuals or those new to plant care. 8. Monstera. Monstera, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, has become an Instagram darling for good reason. Its large, perforated leaves create a dramatic tropical vibe in any space. Monsteras are relatively easy to care for and can grow quite large, making them perfect statement plants for living rooms or home offices. They prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Their unique leaf shape adds visual interest and can become a focal point in your home decor. 9. Philodendron. Philodendrons come in various shapes and sizes, from compact varieties to large, statement plants. Their heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines make them perfect for hanging baskets or climbing up trellises. Philodendrons are adaptable to different light conditions and are relatively low maintenance, making them suitable for beginners. 10. Dracaenas offer a diverse range of options, from compact tabletop plants to tall, tree-like specimens. Their sword-like leaves come in various colors and patterns, adding visual interest to any space. Dracaenas can thrive in low to moderate light conditions. They're relatively drought-tolerant and can withstand some neglect, making them ideal for busy households or offices. 11. English ivy. English ivy is a classic choice for those seeking a traditional, elegant look. Its trailing vines can soften the edges of shelves or create a romantic atmosphere when allowed to climb. English ivy is an excellent air purifier and can help reduce indoor air pollution. It prefers bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. While it requires regular watering, its ability to indicate when it's thirsty makes it manageable for most plant owners. 12. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is more than just a pretty plant. Its healing property as a natural first aid kit. Known for its, aloe vera's gel can be used to soothe minor burns and skin irritations. This succulent thrives in bright light and requires minimal watering, making it perfect for sunny windowsills or bright bathrooms. Its sculptural form adds a touch of modern elegance to any space, while its air purify abilities make it a functional addition to your home. 13. Ficus. The ficus, or weeping fig, is a classic indoor tree that can add a touch of elegance to any room. Its glossy leaves and graceful form make it a popular choice for both homes and offices. Ficus trees prefer consistent conditions and may drop leaves if moved frequently, making them ideal for spaces where they can remain undisturbed. They can grow quite tall, perfect for creating a fresh aesthetic in the corner of a room. 14. African violet. African violets bring a pop of color to any space with their delicate blooms in shades of purple, pink, and white. These compact plants are perfect for small spaces or as colorful accents on desks or shelves. African violets prefer moderate to bright indirect light and regular watering, making them suitable for attentive plant parents. Their continuous blooming cycle provides year-round color, adding a cheerful touch to your indoor garden. 15. Air plants. Air plants are the ultimate in low-maintenance greenery. These rootless wonders don't require soil, drawing nutrients from the air through their leaves. They can be displayed in creative ways, from hanging in glass terrariums to perching on driftwood. Air plants prefer bright, indirect light and occasional misting or soaking. Their unique appearance and minimal care requirements make them perfect for modern, minimalist spaces or as quirky additions to your plant collection. How often should I water my indoor plants? Watering frequency depends on the plant species, pot size, and environmental conditions. As a general rule, most indoor plants prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Always check the soil moisture before watering. If the top inch of soil feels dry, it's usually time to water. Can I use regular potting soil for all indoor plants? While regular potting soil works for many plants, some species have specific soil requirements. Succulents and cacti, for example, need well-draining soil. It's best to research the specific needs of each plant or use soil mixes designed for particular plant types. How do I know if my plant is getting enough light? Signs of insufficient light include leggy growth, smaller leaves, slower growth, and loss of variegation in patterned leaves. On the other hand, scorched or bleached leaves may indicate too much direct sunlight. Observe your plant's behavior and adjust its placement accordingly.